Alright, so finally found the light. I'm in back of this motherfucker, picked up my bike. And I'm all scared, bro. It has me in a container back here. Look at this shit. Can't see shit. Don't have no fucking windows. Bro, I was in the dark, bro. Like, it was scary as fuck back here. You gotta fucking, man. And then this motherfucker hauling ass, picking up bitches and shit while I'm in the back. And then talking shit in the gas station, like, get in the back. Gotta go pick up some more Mexicans. Bringing the back, motherfucker. And everyone laughing. And then he's picking up bitches at the same time. This motherfucker. And then hauling ass, bro. Jesus, I can't even see the frightening part is that you can't see shit in this motherfucker, man. I like, okay, you're playing music now. But I got my baby back though. Yeah. Got my baby back. Got my baby back. God damn. Oh my God, this monoxide's gonna fuck me up, bro. Oh. Hey, careful, man. This motherfucker ain't tied that much. Oh shit. This motherfucker don't give a fuck. Fuck, nigga, I'm feeling dizzy as shit. What the fuck, bro? Hey, careful, bro. No, but like the bike tipped over, I almost fell, nigga. He said, I'm going to speed limit. he said, shut the fuck up and ride your bike. Goddamn, nigga, I'ma die back here. I know, lower the windows, bro. All right. I shouldn't have lit this motherfucker up in here. Damn, bro. Nigga almost died, that motherfucker.
Nigga, we need to hotbox it in here.
Oh yeah, that shit holds it.
God damn. Alright, she's back home.
She back.